All right, let's get into my Boxycharm by Ipsy PR unboxing. If you enjoy boxing, spoilers, and anything vegan and cruelty-free makeup beauty content, I would subscribe because that's what I post. And some Trader Joe's hauls and grocery hauls. I do actually pay for this box as well. PR, I did not pick any of these. I do spoilers, as I mentioned. So first product is from Wonder Beauty. It gives me It Cosmetics. Their old eyeshadow vibes, just the packaging. And it is magnetic, like a soft close. Look how beautiful this is. Like, I love the shine and the shades. Like, look at that green, like, hello. It looks better in person than online, but it's very pretty, very nude, very neutral, except for the greens, which for me is like neutral. But I'm really excited about that. This is the Wonder Beauty Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. And then, oh, the theme is rewrite the rules. And it says like March, it says, make the first move, wear too much blush, get a matte image match mani. This month, march to your own beauty. So March, because it's March. And then Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugars Face Scrub. I'm going to have to get back to you on this because I don't know how harsh it is. I have very sensitive, dry skin. So we shall see about that. But I think that is, the packaging is really pretty. Everything is like pink, like the palette, the body, the scrub. And then this packaging is just gorgeous. And a lot of these are, March, it says, is for women-owned businesses, which I love. So this is Dew of the Gods, Amalfi, AMALFI Gold Heaven Grade Hair Serum. Just look how beautiful this is. Like, packaging, it's just so pretty. A lot of hair serums. It's supposed to be ultra light, heaven grade hair serum, formulated with the highest quality olive and argan oils to provide your hair with a natural shine, deep texture, and protection from mechanical heat in the summer sun. This sounds really, just really nice. I like hair serums. I like oils and stuff. I do have oily hair / I do get dandruff. I just got my hair done. I would like to do this myself. We'll see. I just got a haircut, not a hair color. And then this is not cruelty free. This is by Elemis. This is a peptide eye recovery cream. It's fine. That's me going to somebody. And then this was kind of interesting. My PR box, I got a part of a balloon. So I guess they had a party. And then when I'm wearing my lips right now, I thought this was so cute. It's the TYS Beauty Lip Butter Jelly Shea Butter Lip Gloss. I don't think there's a shade because it doesn't, there's no shade. Maybe the shade, or I guess it's a shade jelly. I don't know. I'll look more into it. This is a buttery treat for the lips that instantly hydrates and soothes for a shiny finish. It is vegan, cruelty-free, clean, paraben-free, sulfate-free, non-GMO. And the packaging is really cute. It's like holographic, and it wore off, but like, my lips are pretty chapped, but it actually hydrated them a lot. And it looks kind of like little, well, I guess those are little bubbles. It looks kind of like strawberry seeds at first, but I don't think so. And it smells so good. It smells like a cupcake, but like strawberry icing cupcake, like a strawberry candy kind of like vibe. And then here is the doe foot. It's like a little bit of a divot, but it gets right on there. It's more of like a serum-y, not sticky at all. Yeah, it feels kind of like a lip treatment. Feels really nice. Not really like a color, but there's no shimmer, which I like. So those are the items that I got. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy. Bye!